Temperature control is critical for applications that require centrifugation at specific temperatures. Temperature control range, typical range, temperature. Most micro-high-speed refrigerated centrifuges offer a temperature control range from -20°C to +40°C. Importance: suitable for a wide range of applications, including those requiring low temperature conditions. Precision, accuracy. Temperature control is typically precise to ±0.1°C. Importance: ensures consistent and reproducible results. Cooling speed, time. The centrifuge can cool down to the desired temperature relatively quickly, often within minutes. Importance: saves time and allows for immediate use. Thermostatic control system. Advanced thermostatic control systems maintain the set temperature throughout the centrifugation process. Importance: preserves sample integrity and quality. User interface, controls. Easy-to-use digital interface allows for quick setting of temperature parameters. Importance: simplifies operation and minimizes setup time. Alarm systems, notification. Some models include alarm systems to alert users of deviations from the set temperature. Importance: ensures timely intervention and prevents sample loss. The temperature control range of a micro-high-speed refrigerated centrifuge is critical for applications that require precise temperature control during centrifugation. To learn more about our range of micro-high-speed refrigerated centrifuges, or if you have any questions regarding temperature control, please contact me through my email provided on my homepage. I will respond within 24 hours.